Hello and welcome to the Amazon FBA Wholesale Sourcing course, where I'll teach you how to purchase products from wholesale suppliers to sell on Amazon using their Fulfillment by Amazon program. My name's Larry and I'll be your guide throughout the course. I feel qualified to be your guide because I've already made most of the big mistakes and a fair share of the little ones too. I want you to leverage that experience to save both your time and your money. I sincerely believe if you follow the step-by-step instructions inside the course materials that you can build a successful and sustainable wholesale business on the Amazon FBA platform. Whether your goal is to have a full-time Amazon business or to generate some extra cash, wholesaling can be scaled to whatever level you desire. Many folks like yourself are doing this right now, and with the explosive growth of Amazon and online shopping, you should be able to carve out your own niche and grab your piece of the huge pie called Amazon FBA. This course will only help if you determine in your mind to take the actions found in each lecture. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires work and perseverance not found in most people. But you're not most people, or you wouldn't be listening right now. So set aside the time and the focus to read and apply what you're about to learn. We'll teach you how to do the right things and to do those things the right way, but it's up to you to take action. These are the main things we'll be covering during the course. In the First Things First section, we'll discuss some operational details that are foundational to your Amazon business. Then we'll ask the question, why Amazon FBA? We'll talk about the benefits of the Fulfillment by Amazon program. Then we'll discuss why wholesale sourcing, how wholesaling fits into the Amazon sales models, and then the meat of the course where we'll talk about finding high-quality products already selling on Amazon. We'll find the suppliers for those products and learn how to get accounts from them. We'll analyze their pricing and place some orders if the numbers look right. Then we'll list the products and ship them off to the Amazon fulfillment centers and learn how to manage your inventory so you don't ever run out of stock. And we'll also provide some resources, which are some links to tools and other websites to greatly help you along the way. And we'll provide some definitions so you can learn some of the Amazon lingo when you're talking to vendors and other sellers. Lastly, I sincerely hope you treat this like a real business. A business relies on three main things: quality products, smart marketing and promotions, and efficient operations. Most Amazon FBA courses focus only on products and marketing and virtually nothing about operations. Operations are the grease that keeps the machinery running and the glue that holds things together. In the next lecture, First Things First, we'll look at these operational details in depth. That's enough introduction for now. Let's get started.